Hi, I'm Abby. I'm 24 and I currently live in Chicago, Illinois. I love to go to the museums and taking long walks along the lakefront, and I just like to enjoy the entire city and enjoy it with the people that I really like to hang out with, which are my good friends here. I was diagnosed at the age of 16. I was a sophomore in high school at the time. I was struggling with extreme stomach pains. It kind of felt like my insides were on fire. My mom, who was diagnosed with Crohn's at the exact same age as me, had an inkling that it was Crohn's. However, I didn't really realize it at the time. I went to a doctor, they did some tests, I had a colonoscopy done, and it turned out to be Crohn's. It was a complete shock, and I felt like so overwhelmed because I didn't really know what the future held living with Crohn's. Luckily, my doctor was amazing who diagnosed me, and he explained to me what Crohn's disease was, how we're going to treat it. He put me on steroids, which was not a permanent treatment plan, it was only temporary. He then put me on a pill medication that didn't work for me, which was upsetting because I didn't know if there was gonna be a treatment plan out there that worked for me. And then I was put on a biologic, which helped immensely. I saw the biggest difference in how I felt. My life just kind of started to turn around. I felt like a new person again. I finally felt relief, and it was amazing to feel that sense of relief because I hadn't felt that in so long. I was able to go into class, be an active student, and I was able to get back into gymnastics, which I really loved at the time, and was able to hang out with my friends on the weekends. So I was doing really, really great on the biologic, definitely living a very full life, not having any relapses, which is very important, until the end of 2019 came along and they decided to switch me to a biosimilar. Originally, I was kind of nervous how would my body react to this new drug, but I honestly didn't even notice a difference between the biologic and the biosimilar. It was a very seamless transition and still living a very full and eventful life. I know it might be really scary to think about switching from a drug that you're so used to and that works for you to a drug that you've never tried before and can be a bit scary and you don't know if it's gonna work. But I put my trust in my doctor's hands, and I knew that she was very knowledgeable on the different types of treatment options for Crohn's disease. And I trusted her, and she was right. And I felt literally the same as I was feeling before. When I was first diagnosed, I was very scared. I didn't know how my life was gonna turn out in the sense of living with Crohn's disease. And I think that it's really helpful for other people to kind of have a guide or mentor to tell them, hey, it's gonna be okay. You're gonna find a treatment plan that works for you. I thought it was really important to me to be sort of a mentor for people who are going through the same process that I did, and to just give them confidence and trust that it's going to be okay and you're gonna find a treatment plan and that you will live a very full and eventful life again.